If you are suffering from smoker's cough after quitting smoking, please stop what you're doing and listen to this short message. I have made this video to get the word out on how to get rid of smoker's cough fast using this innovative device called AirPhysio.
If you are a smoker, if you are an ex-smoker, if you have any difficulty breathing for whatever reason, you have to try the AirPhysio. It seriously works. Day one. I coughed up basically the biggest, most disgusting loogie I have ever coughed up in my entire life. It was more than yesterday. The first day, I was using my watch. I could basically do about 5 minutes. And today, 15. I feel great. Full breaths in and out. I won't show that to you. It's a big one. All right, check this out. I feel great. Like I can actually breathe.
AirPhysio, it works like magic.
If you have any difficulty breathing for whatever reason, you have to try the AirPhysio. It changed my life. I am not joking. Seriously, it changed my life, and it will change your life too.